Have you ever wondered how artificial eyes are made and how they work? Welcome to the fascinating world of ocular prosthetics. These marvels of medical technology, also known as prosthetic eyes, replace absent natural eyes after procedures like enucleation, evisceration, or orbital exenteration. While they don't provide functional vision, they play a crucial role in cosmetic restoration and structural support, helping to maintain a natural facial appearance. The creation of an ocular prosthesis is a multi-step process, beginning with a consultation with an ocularist. This specialist discusses the procedure and expected outcomes, setting the stage for what's to come. Next comes the impression and measurement stage. A detailed impression of the eye socket is taken to ensure a perfect fit for the prosthesis. If there's an existing eye, its measurements are taken to match the size and color of the artificial eye. Then the stage of sculpting and painting begins. Using a wax-like material, the ocularist sculpts the prosthesis to match the contours of the socket. Skilled technicians then hand-paint the prosthesis, replicating the color and appearance of the natural eye, right down to the intricate details of the iris and blood vessels. Once the painting is complete, the fitting and adjustment phase begins. The prosthetic eye is carefully fitted into the socket, with adjustments made for the best possible movement, fit, and appearance. The process doesn't end there. Regular checkups are scheduled to monitor the health of the socket and make adjustments to the prosthesis as needed. Looking to the future, advancements in ocular prosthetics could include improved materials, digital and 3D printing for faster and cheaper production, advanced fabrication techniques for a more natural look, and research into better biointegration with tissues. The benefits of an ocular prosthesis are significant. Beyond the cosmetic restoration and facial support, many individuals with ocular prostheses report feeling more confident in social interactions. The technology and artistry behind ocular prosthetics are truly impressive, encompassing custom sculpting techniques, advanced color matching, 3D scanning, and printing, as well as the use of biocompatible materials. So next time you marvel at the lifelike appearance of a prosthetic eye, remember the intricate process and incredible technology that makes it all possible. With every advancement, we move closer to a future where the loss of an eye doesn't have to mean a loss of self-image or confidence.